Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the screen lock in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do so, click on your profile which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. Then go to Privacy. After you go to Privacy, you should scroll a little bit down and you can see the screen lock option right on the app security settings. Go ahead and tap on security lock and you can enable it. Your Android device lock settings will be required to unlock the Signal when you leave or switch apps. When locked, the notification previews will not be shown the message content. So go ahead and enable it if you want. Authenticate yourself and you can see that there is timing of starting the screen lock. So if you close the Signal app and open it after a minute or 5 minutes or 30 minutes, you can enter your screen lock and then you can access it. So you can set it according to your wish and go back. So you can now see the time of the screen lock is after 30 minutes. You can use 1, 5 or you can add your own custom time accordingly. So if you want to disable it, just go ahead and click on this button, authenticate yourself, and then your screen lock has been turned off. So guys, this is how easy it is to turn on or turn off the screen lock in Signal Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.